The OnePlus 6 is the first device from OnePlus that is using the A-B partition system. This was first introduced with Google's Pixel and Pixel XL. And what this means is that there's not a separate recovery for your recovery image. For example, your stock recovery or even a custom recovery like TWRP. And this means that this will be the first OnePlus device that will require different steps to install TWRP as the custom recovery than your other devices. Now, if you have installed TWRP on other smartphones with the A-B partition system, such as the Pixel, Pixel 2, then you'll be right at home here. But again, this is a new process for anybody who has only been using OnePlus devices. So to start, we're going to need to download the TWRP image file. And we're going to need to download the TWRP zip file from the TWRP website. Now, once you have downloaded both of those files, we're going to move or copy the zip file over to the OnePlus 6. And I'll have direct links of how to do this and how to do every single thing else in this video linked in the full tutorial, which is on my website. Once you have that, then you're going to need to have ADB and fastboot tools installed on your PC. You have USB drivers installed so that the PC can recognize your OnePlus 6. And just to show you, we have the zip file already copied here. And you want to go ahead and rename that image file. Just go ahead and rename it twrp.img so that the command that I give will work for you, it'll work for me, and it'll work for anybody in the future that downloads a newer version of TWRP, since we can just rename that file twrp.img. With that done, we're going to then power off the device and boot us over into fast boot mode, which is also known as bootloader mode. And once you are in there, you can go ahead and connect your OnePlus 6 to the PC with a USB cable. And you're going to want to bring up either a command prompt or a Windows PowerShell. It needs to be in the same folder as your ADB and fastboot tools are located in, which also needs to be the same folder as your twrp.img file is in. With that done, we're going to temporarily boot into TWRP. And I'll have this command again written in step-by-step instructions on my website. So we're just going to type out the command fastboot space boot and then the twrp.img file, or whatever you named that file. It doesn't have to be twrp.img. We just want to put that file name right there. So the command is fastboot space boot space twrp.img. Then we're going to press enter on the keyboard. That's going to send that TWRP image file to the OnePlus 6. Once it's sent, it's going to temporarily boot into TWRP. Now, if you want, you can stop here. You can do keep read only, it doesn't matter. You can stop right here if you only want to temporarily use TWRP. This is great if you want to keep your custom recovery like you normally would, or your stock recovery if you normally would, while also having the ability to temporarily boot into a custom recovery and make a backup or even restore from a backup, maybe install a modification. If you want, you can stop here. However, if you want to permanently install TWRP as your custom recovery, then we want to go ahead and tap on the install button up there. From here, we're going to browse to and tap on wherever we put that TWRP zip file. Once you're ready, we're going to select that zip file, swipe the white arrows at the bottom to confirm the installation. What this is actually doing is, so before, we are just temporarily booting into TWRP. We aren't installing anything because we need a little more code to install TWRP on both slots. Like, remember, the slot A and the slot B, which need to be patched into the boot image because that's where our recovery is now. So what I'll be able to do is boot into TWRP, flash this zip file made specifically for the OnePlus 6. It will unpack the installer, run the boot image patcher on both slots. This way it doesn't matter which slot we're booting into. And then once you're done, we're just going to tap on the Reboot System. We can choose to install the TWRP application as a system application if we want. We don't have to though. And this is going to boot us right back into Oxygen OS. See, the boot sequence is very quick. Takes us right back into it. And just to show you that that is actually permanently installed, now we're just going to boot up into recovery mode. And instead of taking us into the stock Oxygen OS recovery, it's actually just going to boot us directly into our newly installed recovery, which is TWRP. And there you have it. That is how to install TWRP on the OnePlus 6 now that it is using the A and B partition systems.